How has Findacure helped your patient group?
As a non-profit organisation, we were struggling to keep afloat, so to speak. Uh, with the input from Findacure, we went into a registered charity, and we've definitely grown by gaining a lot more experience and listening to other people's issues, and hopefully incorporating them into our charity to overcome them.
So Find a Cure is really important for small charities like ours because it can be really isolating running a charity for a rare condition. You can feel like you're fighting this really small battle that's really huge to you, and the challenges that you face can make you feel quite alone. But the reason that Find a Cure is really important is because you get to meet a community of other people running similar organisations to yours. The conditions are different, but actually a lot of the challenges are the same. And it's really helpful to be able to access the speciality and the expertise and training as well, so that you can go back to your organisation and your cause empowered to meet your community's needs even better.
Originally, as a group, we were like, how do we keep this data? And then finally we were like, well, you can have a patient registry, so you can. So that's how we've it's mainly knowledge of how the system works and how we can access it and work. So if I've had a question, or from our community, I've been able to sort of come back to you guys and ask it, and then you've been supported us completely, or said, I'll go away and find out for you.
I think the greatest asset that we have gotten from our interaction with Findacure is that we don't feel as isolated in trying to do the work that we do. We feel like there is a great network that we can tap into, either through the people that we meet ourselves at the events, or by writing to Findacure and saying, we have this problem, do you know somebody who can help us solve it? And so it certainly has broadened our network significantly, but it also has allowed us to anticipate issues that will arise before they actually arise for us. So for example, the first place that I heard about GDPR was at a Find a Cure workshop, and that turned out to be something that required a really significant amount of our time and energy to try to make sure that we were complying with it. And because of Find a Cure, we had the lead time to do that. So it really has broadened our horizons. It's certainly added to our to-do list, but in a good way.